guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are all having a great and amazing day today. Now in today's video, we are going to be doing a Moomoo stock broker review for 2024. We're going to be doing the pros, the cons, and everything you must know about this amazing stockbroker. So I hope you guys all enjoy it. And if you guys want to sign up with Moomoo, I'll put a link to it down below where you guys can sign up and get like 15 free stocks. So sign up down below. On top of that, if you guys want to learn how to swing trade, we just released a brand new swing trading masterclass where we talk about how to find stocks, my strategies, my mindsets. Pretty much it's a one-stop shop for all of your swing trading and trading needs. I'll put it down below. We're doing pretty much a end of the year sale. Check it out down below. But guys, let's dive into it. All right, so Moomoo, what is it? Well, Moomoo is a stockbroker. So pretty much what it is, it allows you to buy and sell different stocks, ETFs. Now, one of the main reasons why a lot of people absolutely love Moomoo is because it's something called a trading broker. Now, what this means, this broker is designed for traders. It's not really suited for long-term investing. Now, yes, you can invest for the long term with it, but I do think there is better options elsewhere. Now, Moomoo offers something called a standard broker's account. Pretty much this is just a standard account. It's not an IRA account, which is suited for retirement. This is just a standard broker's account. And as traders, honestly, this benefits us a lot more than IRAs, just because IRA accounts, there's, a whole bunch of withdrawal penalties. And as traders, a lot of people actually use trading as income. So if you want to, send it to your bank, there is pretty much no issues. But like I said, this broker is a trading broker. So what that means is it's designed for traders. It has fantastic charts, studies, and even scanners. Honestly, having a good scanner can make or break your swing trading or trading in general. And the reason why is because you could have the best strategies, the best broker, but if you're not trading the right stocks, you're gonna lose money. And that's why I do love Moomoo's. They have fantastic scanners and they have something called an AI monitor. It's an artificial intelligence monitor that pretty much monitors all the stocks in the stock market, or can monitor the stocks in your watch list. Pretty much what it does, it tells you what's going on. It will give you buy ratings, it will give you sell ratings, and just kind of give you just a general idea of what your watch lists in the stocks are doing. Another reason why I absolutely love Moomoo is they have something called the Moo. The Moo. What it is it's almost like a Facebook, but for your trading. So if there's any questions you may have, if you want to see what other traders are looking at, if you want to see different, news articles, they have everything all in there, which is really cool because it's, like I said, it's like a Facebook, so you have that social aspect, but for traders, which is pretty sweet. But by far, one of the most important things as a trader is something called paper trading. Paper trading allows you to buy and sell, but using simulated money. This is honestly something that I can't stress enough. It's by far one of the biggest factors that can make or break a new trader. And the reason why is because paper trading allows you to practice strategies, practice your entries, your exits, and honestly, I recommend doing this for at least 6 months to a year before you even fund an account. And yes, you could fund an account and start trading and make money, but historically, traders over the long run, if you don't paper trade, you lose money. It's just like a doctor trying to become a doctor or an engineer trying to become an engineer. It takes years of practice, hard work, and education. And speaking of education, check out my course down below. Now, Moomoo does allow you to do options tradings, which is really cool. But for me, I'm honestly just more of a stock trader. I don't really do any option trading. I'm more buy and sell different stocks. On top of that, you can short certain stocks with Moomoo, which is nice. So if you're a short trader, you can still make money when the stock goes down. Another really cool thing that Moomoo offers is called the market hotspot. Pretty much what it does is it finds all the stocks and different sectors that are moving and grooving. So if you're a day trader and you love to trade a little more volatile companies, this is going to be your bread and butter. This is going to be where you find stocks to trade. On top of that, you're going to be finding stocks and sectors that are performing well. So if you even want to swing trade it, you can do it there too. And one of the last things that I want to talk about that I absolutely love with Moomoo is something called the hot strategies. What this is if you are new to trading and you're still learning your trading patterns, they have a whole section devoted to pretty much scanning stocks that have different patterns. So if you want to trade head and shoulders pattern, if you want to trade an ABC pattern, if you want to trade a support pattern, they have a whole bunch of patterns. And what's really cool is they have a brief description of that pattern and some of the stocks that are hitting those different types of patterns where you could possibly trade them. And with Moomoo, they do have fantastic news, which is really convenient. So if you like trading during news, or if you just want to see what's going on with different types of stocks, they have all of that. As well as they do have a whole bunch of fundamental analysis tools, so you can see a company's revenue, cash flow, all of that good stuff, which is really important for investing and trading. But overall, guys, Moomoo is an absolute fantastic broker, and I cannot stress it enough. But there is some things I don't like about it. Starting out is it can get a little confusing just learning the platform, but in general, I think if you just take a day, take a couple of hours to practice, and I do have a full tutorial, I'll put it down below. But if you just spend a couple of hours, you could learn the platform pretty well. But if you're new to trading, it could be a little overwhelming starting out. Another thing that I don't like about Moomoo is it's only a trading platform. If you're looking to invest for the long term, unfortunately, Moomoo, in my opinion, isn't the best option. I would rather see you guys use like M1 Finance or, something along those lines where it has like dividend reinvesting or something like that, like Fidelity or even TD Ameritrade. But overall, in my opinion, I think Moomoo is probably the best trading broker out there. I think it has fantastic studies, indicators, it has fantastic tools and artificial intelligence tools to help you be a successful trader. But overall, guys, if I was going to rate this out of 5 stars, I probably would give it about a 4.5 out of 5. I think this is a fantastic broker, and I highly recommend it for all types of traders. Whether you're a new trader, you can just paper trade. Whether you're a super experienced trader, and you can fully customize everything about this broker. So guys, I hope you guys all enjoyed it. I'll put a link to Moomoo down below so you guys can check it out. But if you guys do, hit that like button and subscribe. And don't forget to check out my spring trading course, and we'll see you guys in the next one.